So guys, this is the hair cream that I used, and Blue Magic coconut oil hair conditioner. Yeah, that is what they wrote there. So the hair cream is so nice, so perfect for natural hair. If you have natural hair, I think you should go for it. It's so nice. So guys, if it's your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Thank you for joining this family. And if you're my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. Please guys, at the end of this video, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and you can share the video. Yes, the video, you can also share it, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification behind the subscribe button to join the family. Please guys, just subscribe. So guys, as you can see, I made like a 4 cornrow by the left, by the right, and I also do the same by the left side, as you can see. Then the middle one, I divide it into two and braid this first one down, and the second one I braid it towards the front. Yeah, so guys, keep on watching. guys, look at the beautiful hair. Look at this is the final look. So guys, I believe if you have watched up on this time, you have given the video a thumbs up. Even if you have not, oh, my baby is saying hi. Even if you have not, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Bye.